Alright, well today is when I'm going to put the lining, the kale wool, in the forge here. But before I do that, time to pound out some dents. Alright, there we go. And I'll get the lid here. There we go. Alright, there we go. Now, all you need for this stuff, scissors, and a good eye, and that's it. Like so. Alright, well that's good. So next, do the line and then cut that part out. Alright, there we go. Got the hole cut out. Alright, there we go. I gotta get to work. So, if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.